How to see your Amazon account password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, if you open Amazon app, you won't be able to see password of your account. So what you need to do is go to Google and then click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile on top right, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on your Google account. After you click on your Google account, you will find this kind of screen pop up. At the top, click on Security. After you click on Security, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down till you find Password Manager and click on Manage Password. And then in here, search for Amazon and then click on Amazon. After that, you need to verify if it's you. After that, you see your password in here. Click on I like button beside password and you will be able to view your password. This method is only available if you have saved your Amazon account password in your Google account. And this is how to see your Amazon account password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.